how to download Visual Studio Code on your laptop. If you are willing to download Visual Studio Code on your MacBook, then follow this instruction. First, open up any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in download Visual Studio Code. After that, scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. So this is the official website of Visual Studio Code, and here to download this app you can see different OS. So click on the link according to your operating system. Here for downloading Visual Studio Code on my MacBook, I am clicking on this Mac option. After that, your download will be started. It may take some time depending on your internet speed. Now after your download is completed, you'll see pop-up like this. Click on that. Now you'll find this application on your downloads option. Simply click on this logo to open Visual Studio Code on your Mac. Now click on this open option. So this is how you can download Visual Studio Code on your MacBook. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.